Time muna, time. Team Eastern Shield. Time. 14.61. Overall. Team Oak Palaab. 14.09. Overall. 14.30. Seconds na lang. Team W Board. 7.22. First place. Team W Board.
Di pasok. Ha? Ano ba?
Wait lang. Sig! Picture muna, Sig! Lawaya na ba eh? Okay na, Sig? Matapos pa ako.
Hindi ko ba?
Nagit na. Game ah. 1, 2, 3.
Hey. Thank you.
Second place. Team Hook Palaab.
Picture naman.
Fastest time, James 4. Team Eastern Shield. Sir, bukas tayo na first place, second place trophy. Kita tayo after 3 weeks, second leg. Okay. Beer time. Oh, sir, yung beer. Nagsigil na to mga to.